0 to Professional English Course, a creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role Play-31, discussion about traveling by train.
Rahul wants to go to Hyderabad. He wants to travel by train. He goes to the railway station for a ticket. The discussion goes as follows.
Hello, I want to go to Hyderabad. Is there any train today for Hyderabad?
Hi. Yes, there are 2 trains for Hyderabad today.
When is the first train for Hyderabad?
The first train is at 5 a.m.
Will this train directly go to Hyderabad?
Yes, this will directly go to Hyderabad.
Okay. Does this stop at Ludhiana?
Yes, this train stops at Ludhiana station.
For how long?
For 15 minutes.
Okay. Tell me how much will be the fare for Hyderabad?
From where?
From Basti to Hyderabad.
In which class do you want to book your ticket?
What does this mean?
I mean, you want the ticket for the AC coach or the sleeper coach?
Oh, I want an AC coach.
The fare for AC is 1,500 INR per passenger.
Okay.
How many people will go?
There are 3 people, me, my wife, and my son.
What is the age of your child?
He is 6 years old. Is there no ticket needed for him?
No, you will have to buy the ticket for him. Children under 5 years do not have to buy tickets.
Okay, I will take it. Tell me how much should I pay?
5,500 INR. On which date should I book the ticket?
The 12th of October.
Okay, I have booked the ticket for the morning train.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Rahul reaches the station on the day of the journey. There he meets a person and they talk as follows.
Hey, brother. Can you tell me where is the waiting room?
The waiting is just next to the booking office.
Okay. On which platform will the train for Hyderabad come?
Which train?
Train No. 12568 from Basti to Hyderabad.
This train will come on platform number 6.
Okay, thank you, brother.
Are you going to Hyderabad?
Yes, brother.
Actually, I'm also going by the same train.
Great. That is very good.
But it is 5 o'clock and there is no update about the train.
Is the train late or did it get cancelled?
No, I think the train is late.
Okay.
Here the train came.
Yes, it came. Please hurry up.
So sad. The train is half an hour late.
Yes, it is. By the way, no problem. I wish you a safe and pleasant journey.
Me too. The bell is rung and the train will start moving now.
Wow. The train started moving forward now. We will reach our destination now.
Yes, for sure. Inshallah.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.